my feelings here. This whole thing has been a fiasco from day one. And I will tell you, Ameren is my supplier. I've done a lot for Ameren. I think the world of them. But quite honestly, I think this has been handled wrong from the start. When they started talking to me when they started talking to me last year, it was all about equipment. When the bill got filed, it had equipment in it, but then it had all kinds of stuff in it. Well, then the barrage started, then the press started. And now we got all these damn phone calls, and that's what I'm going to say, damn phone calls and emails that just infuriate me to no end. We can't even, none of us, I don't think there's anybody on this committee or in this Senate going to answer our phones because of all the phone calls that have come. And it's all the lies and the distortion that's going on. And the whole process disgusts me. And I appreciate what Senator Schaefer did. I still don't, there's still some components of this that I don't know whether it's right or wrong, okay? I do know we do need a new power plant in this state. And I've tried to explain this to some people that one way or the other, you're going to pay, whether you pay now or when you buy electricity from some other supplier in another state. But I want to keep this bill moving forward, okay? I don't like some little language, and I, honestly, God, I'm not dissing you because I think you did a tremendous job trying to write this. I'm not comfortable with what I don't know what is right. I thought we could just repeal equipment and be done with it, but obviously, apparently we can't do that. In light of that, I think we keep the move. I'm going to offer this amendment, see what happens, and I'll just tell you right now. I might as well just tell you, if the amendment fails, I'm still going to vote for the bill. Now, I see the headlines, bill passes Senate committee. And then I see, and then we get all of us going to have to explain to everybody what this bill does and then try to counteract all the BS and all the lies that have been stated to the press. And I'm going to tell you, I think the industrials ought to be ashamed of themselves for going on the offensive this. I am absolutely infuriated at telling lies to all my constituents and everybody else about what this bill does. Yeah, it's going to raise rates, but do you ever tell anybody if we got to buy power when we run out of power, like California or some Illinois, some of the other states, who's going to pay? They're going to pay a hell of a lot more than what this bill does, but I don't think that matters. This whole thing has become so convoluted. I don't know if we can ever get there, but I'll just tell you, I think this is the way to go. You all decide how you want to vote on it. In the end, I'm going to vote on it. I'll take the heat. I don't care. What is right is right. And I think this amendment is right. It'll keep the bill moving forward, and hopefully all the groups can get together, sit down, and try to work this out. Because I guarantee you, if it hits the Senate floor like it is right now, this bill is dead on arrival.
Senator,
so excuse me for saying that.
You're allowed to.
Yeah.
Senator.